Glass food storage containers are durable, eco-friendly options for preserving food freshness. They resist stains and odors, making them ideal for storing a variety of foods safely and cleanly. Choosing the perfect glass food storage containers can be overwhelming with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. That's why I've done the hard work for you: hours of research, reading countless reviews to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around, and if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Now, let's dive into the top glass food storage containers that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Prep Naturals Glass Meal Prep Container. Great for meal prep. As the name implies, each of these containers has 2 compartments, so you can portion ingredients for meals and keep them separate without having as many containers. The containers hold 29 ounces each, with one section larger than the other. These dividers make the containers great for storing a sandwich on one side and some veggies or fruit on the smaller side. The containers are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe, but the lids are not. A vent on the lid allows you to vent steam if you've put hot food in the container, or to release pressure if food has cooled and the lid has suctioned on. Reheating shepherd's pie and mashed potatoes and then chicken Alfredo and broccoli went successfully. Made from borosilicate, these meal prep containers are more heavy-duty than your average glass containers. In fact, according to the manufacturer, they are oven-safe up to 840 degrees Fahrenheit. We found it easy enough to wash the lids by hand and throw the containers in the dishwasher. Product 2. Amazon Basics Glass Food Storage Container. This set of 10 containers with lids includes a variety of sizes and shapes that will come in handy for storing everything from leftover cooked pasta to gummy candies. The rectangular containers include 2 1.6-cup, 2 3.6-cup, and 1 7.6-cup. The round containers include 2 1.28-cup and 1 3-cup. The square containers include 1 1.8-cup and 1 4-cup. In our tests, the lids locked on with relative ease, and their silicone rings prevent spilling if the containers are accidentally tipped, but the lids did feel like they could be more susceptible to premature wear. The containers are oven-safe to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, so they can handle the heat of kitchen ovens, or they can be used to reheat food in the microwave. For storage, they can handle the refrigerator or freezer. We love the convenience of the various sizes and found they fit well in both the refrigerator and freezer. The lids are not oven-safe, but they can handle the microwave if they're vented and can be used in the refrigerator and freezer. They're also top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Product 3. Pyrex Circular Glass Storage Container. This set of 6 glass storage containers, plus lids, is perfect for stashing leftovers, whether it's meat and vegetables from dinner or leftover chopped vegetables from salad prep. The set includes 3 different sizes: 2 cups, 4 cups, and 7 cups, so you can choose just the right size, no matter what needs to be stored. The containers are made from tempered glass that can be used in the freezer, microwave, and preheated oven, so you can stash the food for later or reheat it without having to transfer it to another bowl. We gave high marks to the set's tempered glass, which can withstand any oven temperature. Our testing found that the 4-cup container traveled well and didn't leak at all in a backpack during the commute. One caveat we discovered was that the containers got too hot to touch after a round in the microwave. However, this is to be expected out of glass construction, and it was an easy enough fix to use a pot holder. When the containers are empty, they're dishwasher safe. The lids are plastic and can be used in the freezer, though we found that they're not quite microwave safe, despite being advertised as such. They're top-rack dishwasher safe and made in the USA. Product 4. Glasslock Assorted Oven Safe Container. The Glasslock 18-piece set covers a lot of bases when it comes to food storage and performed exceptionally well in our tests, earning it our best overall award. This BPA-free set includes both round and rectangular containers in a variety of sizes with matching lids. Plus, they are all microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making it an especially versatile purchase. In terms of performance, the lids are easy to use, though they are a bit stiff at first, and they seal the containers securely, so there are no leaks or drips when you're storing food. They'll keep your food fresh, whether you're stashing leftovers or prepping herbs and spices for a recipe. We were pleased to discover that these containers distribute heat evenly in the oven, and the microwave we reheated a casserole and found no hot or cool spots. Cleaning is easy in the dishwasher or by hand, but food can get stuck in the crevices of the lids, so it's best not to overfill the containers in the first place. We like how there were no residual scents after washing, even following storing garlicky sauces and leftover Thai food. We also recommend hand drying if you want to avoid water spots. Product 5. Razib Extra Large Glass Food Storage Container. These extra large containers are perfect for make-ahead dinners for the family, freezing fruits and vegetables, and collecting odds and ends in the freezer for making soup stock. They're airtight and watertight, too, making them easy to transport to potlucks and parties. It's worth noting, though while the heavy-duty glass adds to durability, we thought the containers were too bulky and heavy for everyday transport, in other words, desk lunches. The set includes one 27-ounce container, one 40-ounce container, and one 74-ounce container, so you won't have to use multiple containers for large quantities. We used the largest of the bunch for a full pot of homemade chicken stock. The containers are safe for the microwave and for the oven to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, so they're great for baking and roasting as well. The lids and containers are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning every time. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.